Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing assets. Have your video and a raw transcript ready. Open your editor and set the timeline to the video's frame rate so captions sync accurately. Choose the subtitle format now, because that decision affects export options and accessibility. Pick SRT for text workflows or VTT for web. Once done, import the transcript and place the video on the timeline. This first setup prevents timing drift later and makes the next steps faster. Now you convert the transcript into timed captions. Use autosync tools if available to generate rough timings, then manually refine. Listen in short passes and nudge boundaries. Make captions readable. Limit display time and line length, and split at natural pauses so eyes can track. Use proper punctuation and speaker labels when multiple voices appear, because clarity matters for comprehension. As you work, toggle playback at real speed to confirm reading pace, and make sure no caption overlaps or gaps remain. Finish by exporting the captions in the format required by your platform, or burn them into the video if subtitles must be permanent. Then test playback across players and devices. Check timing, line breaks, and character encoding. Mismatches often come from wrong frame rate or encoding. If you spot issues, reopen the subtitle track, adjust the specific cue timings, and re-export with UTF-8. One key troubleshooting tip: when text shows garbage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.